Happy Pancake Day everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious savory pancake. Let's get started. First of all, you'll be needing some prawns, soy sauce, plain flour, using some tapioca flour, then an egg, a leek, some water, pineapple relish, signature chili paste. I've added the plain flour, the tapioca flour, the egg, soy sauce, and water into this mixing bowl right here and mix them all up. Now once you have the batter done, just leave it aside, let it rest. All we'll be needing is a quarter of the leek, and I'm only using the green part. You throw all the leek into the batter. So for the prawns, simple as just slicing them up, just pop this into the batter. I'm using my little cute skillet right over here because I just want my pancake to be small and nice. Oil up the pan. And there you have it. This is our simple savory pancake. So I'm adding in some signature chili paste and one of my latest favorite, which is the pineapple relish. It's simple to make and it's delicious. So try this out today and let me know how you go. See you next time.